I'd say it changes depending on the market and the geo. So you, X person who asked this question, might have great awareness in the US and you might have awful awareness in EMEA, but you're selling a global product. And so your distribution of spend on awareness to conversion may be very starkly different in those regions. Or similarly, let's say you were a US company only. A lot of our portfolio companies, to be honest, sell great to other tech startups. And so the awareness within tech is great and they can focus on conversion in that industry. But then they go to, something like healthcare companies or financial services, and these types of people don't know anything about who they are because they're not in the news. They're not on built-in NYC every day, right? And so for different segments, different geos, different regions, that distribution is going to be different. And so it's really hard to put a percentage of your program budget to brand, to demand gen, to customer marketing, because at the end of the day, it's very, very different depending on your actual current awareness in each of those markets and industries.